YouTube, this is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I come across an article here, 4 top software stocks to watch this upcoming week. And I was just going to see who out there had some of these. I've heard of some of them, have one of them, but there's a couple that I haven't heard of yet. And as you can see, this is dated the March 6th, so just yesterday. Are these top software stocks on your watch list for Monday? One thing that is clear from the recent earnings season is the software companies continue to flourish amidst the current pandemic. According to investors, also made big gains from top software stocks over the past year. And I'm not going to read the whole article there to you, so feel free to pause and read the rest there for yourself, or else you can go straight to the source on NASDAQ. But here's the ones to watch. We have RMNI, Sabre, Mongo, and Alphabet. First, we have RMNI. It's a global provider of enterprise software products and services. The company is a leading third-party support provider for Oracle and SAP software. On top of that, it is also a Salesforce partner. In detail, RMNI offers integrated application management and support services that enable software licenses to organizations. According to RMNI, said organizations use their products to free up resources for innovation and achieve better business outcomes. In terms of clients, RMNI caters to organizations of varying sizes across a broad array of industries. These range from Fortune 500 companies to mid-market and public sector. More importantly, RMNI stock surged by over 16% yesterday after posting its fiscal 2020 earnings. And feel free to pause and read the rest there for yourself, but I brought it up here on Robinhood. Currently it's at $8.24. You can kind of see what it's done here over the last month as well as 3 months. Kind of had a decent run up, almost doubled in price there. And it's just been kind of trading kind of sideways for about the last year, and ever since December's kind of had a decent run up. Next on the list is Sabre Corporation. This is a travel tech company. For some context, it is among the largest global distribution system provides for air bookings in North America. Through its software and tech, Sabre is a major player in global travel industry. Namely, the company provides retailing, distribution, and fulfillment solutions that help optimize its clients' operations via its proprietary travel marketplace. Sabre connects travel suppliers with buyers from around the globe. And feel free to pause the video and read the rest there for yourself, but it looks like they manage over $260 billion worth of global travel spending annually. And feel free to pause and read the rest there for yourself, and I'll bring this one up here on Robinhood so you can take a quick snapshot of this one. This one's currently at $15.25. Looks like it kind of traded like a lot of the other ones on Friday. Had the dip and then kind of a V is what I call it. Just kind of traded kind of sideways over the past 3 months. Here's for the last year. $10, and there's pandemic for 3. Around 2006, a $4.75 billion market cap. This one does have a 3.72% dividend. Not the greatest of ratings. The previous one did not have dividend. Next on the MongoDB Incorporated is a software company that develops and provides commercial support for its open source database of the same time, through its general purpose database platform, empowers developers and applications they build. Particularly, the company caters to the needs of various large corporations and bodies across numerous industries. These include, but are not limited to, Adobe and eBay, Verizon. I have a couple shares of Verizon and the UK government. In recent news, it seems MongoDB is not resting on its laurels just yet. Just last week, the company announced that it's expanded an existing partnership with Google Cloud. Through this extension, the duo will further integrate Google Cloud products with MongoDB's global cloud database Atlas. And I don't have any shares of this one either. We can take a look at here. MDB is the ticker on Mongo. And this one is $308.17, and you can see what it's done here over the last year. Sorry about the internet speed. But this one's been around since 2007, a $19.92 billion market cap, no dividend, and a little bit better ratings on this one. Here's what it's done over the past year. Here's the dip in the pandemic. Could have got it for $100, and it's just been kind of on a staircase up. Besides Friday, it looks like it came down a little bit. So this one I don't know any shares of either. If you have any shares of any of these, go ahead and put it in the comments. That'd be interesting to know, and what your thoughts are on them. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and smash that for me. Give it a Hulk smash, and as well as subscribing, and that would really help out the channel. I'm trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers by the end of March. Alphabet, I'm sure you've all heard of Alphabet out there. Last but definitely not least is the company behind most popular search software in the world, Alphabet. Primarily Google's subsidiary, is one of the biggest names in the tech industry overall. And I'm not going to read all of this to you. Feel free to go ahead and pause and read the rest there for yourself. Last week, news broke regarding the company's partnership with Spanish financial services company Banco Bilbao Vizcaya Argentina, BBVA. I have a couple shares of BBVA. I haven't even checked it, or maybe I should check it and see what it's done, but feel free to pause and read the rest there for yourself. But we'll check Google. I have a couple partial shares here in Robinhood, so if you don't have $2,000 laying around to buy some shares of Google, you can do partial shares here on Robinhood, as well as in Fidelity. You can buy partial shares there as well. But I dumped $70 into this, and right now it's worth $106.03. And there's my, if you're really good at math, you can figure that out. And that's the cost basis when I bought it. Was at $13.9207. Let's see, great ratings on this one. I bought this last summer in June. Right when Robinhood announced they were doing the partial shares. It looks like I dumped $50 and $10 and $10, and there's what it was when I bought it back in June. So kind of interesting, and I think I have this one as well. The Class A, and dumped 70 into that one as well, and that's what that one has done. So there's the Class A and the Class C. The reason for that is they did a split. I don't know when Google split, but that's why. But yeah, a decent investment, $70. But you can see if you had to dump 700 in, it'd be worth $10.50 right now. So, and if I'd have bought a full share, would have almost, give it a little bit more time, almost could have made $1,000 a share. But that is the 4 on the list. And if you have any of these, go ahead and put it in the comments and what your thoughts are on RMNI, Sabre, Mongo, and Alphabet. And again, there's the tickers, and just wanted to throw these out there and see who has this one. It'd be interesting. But these are the 4 top software stocks to watch this upcoming week. So, and if you haven't smashed that like button, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. And about 10 to 15% of the people that have watched the videos have only subscribed, and I'm trying to get that percentage a little bit higher and take my channel to the next level. So that would really help me out, and I thank you for all the support on the channel, and the likes, comments are always welcome. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green.